Missing or damaged teeth. Depending on your age, if you've got teeth missing in between where other teeth are, as you get older, the teeth, they lean against each other. So when you have a missing tooth in there, the other teeth kind of tilt slowly over time into that space. The one above it will slowly drop down. Everything kind of gets out of whack. So if you're had a tooth pulled when you were younger, now you're a little older and everything's kind of moving, we can put either implant or put a bridge in there to fill in that tooth that's missing. We can even a removable appliance if you can't afford a bridge or an implant. Teeth all kind of, like I say, they lean up against each other. So if they're out of whack, if they aren't laying up against each other, it can cause your bite to be off. You have less teeth to crush the food, to masticate properly. Cracked teeth, I'll find where someone is got a fracture in a tooth. If it's just on like one side of the tooth, usually it's not a problem. But if you see a crack on one side that comes up to a filling, and then you see another crack on the other part of the tooth that comes up to the filling, if those two connect underneath that filling, that whole section can break off, or the tooth can split down the middle if the cracks are on both sides. And then you're going to not only have some pain, but it could happen on a weekend where you can't get in, and you're hurting till you can get in. It could happen. We can prevent that. If you get a crown on a tooth cracked like that, then that holds it together, keeps it from splitting. The reason you don't want to lose the tooth is like we had talked about before. The teeth all lean up against each other. The back teeth, you don't see them when you're smiling and all, but they function to crush the food better. So you get more nutrition from food that's masticated with having those teeth. If you are only worried about the front teeth that force your smile, then you need to save your back ones too, because they take the force off of those front teeth so that you can keep them the rest of your life.